Hi, if you are a YouTuber, want to monetize and grow your YouTube channel, then SMMHOST offers you organic subscribers, watch time, views, likes at cheap rates. All services will be provided with guarantee. So visit SMMHOST and boost your YouTube channel. Hey there, YouTubers. Are you tired of struggling to grow your channel? Do you want to increase your views, likes, and subscribers? Well, you're in luck, because today I want to share with you an amazing resource that can help you achieve all of that and more. Introducing SMMHOST, your one-stop shop for all your YouTube growth needs. With SMMHOST, you can get organic subscribers, watch time, views, and likes at affordable rates. And the best part? All of their services come with a guarantee. Imagine being able to focus on creating high-quality content, while SMMHOST takes care of promoting your channel and attracting new viewers. It's a game changer for any YouTuber looking to take their channel to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Head over to SMMHOST and start boosting your YouTube channel today.